Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to add Capital One credit card to your Cash App. Okay, so the great thing is to actually add a Capital One credit card, you can actually do this all directly in the Cash App application, so there's no need to actually go into your Capital One banking app to link them together. So the first thing we're going to want to do is actually open up Cash App. Okay, and then what we're going to do is select the profile icon in the top right hand corner and then click on linked banks. For this example, I don't actually have the option for link a credit card. So what you would want to do to link a credit card is first of all, either add a bank or add a debit card and the option may appear. If it still doesn't, I would suggest contacting Cash App directly on the support chat and just asking them to add the credit card function for you to actually add a credit card to your Cash App. Just for this example, I'm just going to select link debit card as it would be for link credit card. So you're just going to fill in all the necessary details, the card number, the month and the expiry date. It may even ask for additional details being that it is a credit card, so a home address and the cardholder's information. It's worth noting that sending transactions on Cash App using a credit card actually incurs a 3% fee. So if you want to avoid that, then I would suggest using a debit card or your bank. Okay, so that is pretty much it. That is how you add a Capital One credit card to your Cash App.